I've now been given something. Into the back one, which we can reach when we're back on our pontoon.
Yeah, down here is pretty much good to go.
Cool. Good afternoon.
Oh yeah, I almost said morning.
I knew you said morning, but it's not. It's afternoon. Welcome back.
Hi.
And
Yeah, look. Woo!
we're relocating.
Well,
Not just yet.
only down there, just to do some work.
So yeah, we are. The river is actually finally decreasing, so we're pretty much on yellows now for most of the Thames. There's a few areas of white and a couple of bubbles of red here and there.
It's getting good.
So yeah, getting much better. And yes, we are going to be leaving Shepperton Marina in 5 days.
Yeah,
about 5 days.
Thursday.
Yes, so
Saturday today.
We are obviously going to be going down the Kennet and Avon. That much you know already, or we hinted at, which obviously is a canal, so it's a lot narrower than the Thames. So there's a few boat jobs we need to do in preparation for much tighter locks and narrower cruising.
Yeah.
So we're going to the pump out dock, not to do a pump out, but to prepare, ready for our voyage.
Get the fenders off.
We'll take you along.
Our big air fenders have got to come off, otherwise we
Give them away now. I was
could get
leaving them
stuck.
in suspense.
I know.
There you can see the yellow marina flag flying. Makes the welcome change from red though. So we've got all these big blow-up fenders.
We'll be too wide for the lock.
Yeah. Which
Oh, look,
obviously
quick,
we...
turn around.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh wow, look.
Oh yeah.
Heron. Wow, he's so close. Anyway, here's Richard.
Yeah.
Oh, he's a bit close now. Hold on.
You're going to get pegged on the bum.
So we've got yeah, the big blow-up fenders all the way along, which yeah, would be too wide.
Great for the
basically.
Thames.
Yeah.
They're fantastic fenders for the Thames, but we'd get stuck in a lock otherwise.
Oh, excuse me, I think I just swallowed a fly. So yeah, we want to go back to our little rope ones. Oh, and somebody gave me a tip on those. You can put them in the washing machine.
From this to this.
Yeah, you can put these rope fenders and your ropes
They
in
do.
the washing machine apparently, and they come out a treat.
Yeah.
So that's something I'll be doing as well. Put in the bow.
Huh?
Getting all the rope fenders out.
I know that we've tied them all up onto the side bits, haven't we?
And the side bits. Oh, what on the like?
The
hang
roof
things?
mooring bits.
Oh yeah. Could we not have left them like that?
No, because then if we catch one and we rip it along the side of the roof, so it'd be pulling along like that, and it'd just tear all the paint off.
Very true.
Best not.
No.
I was gonna. Yeah, I had a little think about it.
We've got a little visitor again today. Dusty. No, he's... Oh, there he is. Hello. What are you doing? So, after the great success of the crest, which, yes, astounded not only you but me also, I've now been given something else to nurture. I'm going to show you. So I now have 2 tomato plants that I've now got to take care of. It's going to be a challenge. I'm looking forward to my first crop. How are you getting on?
I've done this side.
Done all this side?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Just need to turn around now.
Yep. So now we're turning round so that we can do the other side. Richard's just doing the last one. And then we're back to traditional canal boat fenders. So fenders all removed just in the nick of time because it's just started raining. So yeah, that was good planning.
Yeah, just got to find the other one.
Yeah,
we can do that on a dock.
Yeah, we've there's one we can't find. We think it might be under the seats back here. But it's fine. We've left it to the back one, which we can reach when we're back on our pontoon anyway. But that is good. So on our new adventure coming up, we are going to be travelling.
You've forgotten already.
I've forgotten already. I just asked
64
Richard.
miles.
64 miles and doing 38 locks.
Yes.
That's right.
And 20 of those locks are full manual with no lock keepers.
Yeah.
Yeah, do them.
Need to get my guns going.
Oh, we need to get the windy thing out.
We do need to get the windy thing out. So, just thinking to ourselves here.
Should have a remote one.
So, Rich is going to have a quick check of oil and water.
Yeah, quick look down there, make sure it's all alright.
Yeah,
Get
just
ready.
Just like you would, like with a car, basically, if you were taking it on a long journey. Well, you would, wouldn't you?
You should do.
You should. Or you should do. Yeah.
No one ever does.
No. Actually, I have done on long journeys. Anyway, that's another story. So here's Richard back down in his favourite spot.
I always end up down here.
Yep.
Huh. Why that? We're tight, these ones. Glasses. Oh, lovely.
Looking good?
Yeah. Got enough oil. It's right up to the maximum. Handy, isn't it?
Yep.
Got some fan belts. They're looking alright, actually. Well, I had to replace them, didn't I, when I done the service?
Yeah.
So they're all open. Might turn that there. Get dirty quick, doesn't it?
Mm.
That's an air filter. The handy thing on it is you can turn these ones, put it to a cleaner spot.
Oh. So we can't do the water just yet because obviously we've just
It's a bit warm.
moved the boat, so it's a little bit on the warm side at the moment. So don't check your water when it's warm.
Yeah.
That's the same as a car as well, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it'll be under pressure.
Yeah.
But I mean, our bilge is all dry. Everything else looks good. Belts are good.
Yeah.
Electrics are all good. Everything's all in its place. So, yeah, down here it's pretty much good to go.
Cool.
Hey.
So, yes, you are right. We are going down the K&A, as we said. And we were lucky enough to get a spot at Newbury Marina. So, quite
we
lucky.
based it there.
Yeah, so Viver's new home is going to be at Newbury Marina. which will be nice because we've done the K&A in a hire boat.
We did a little bit, didn't we?
Not videoed it. Yeah, we've never done the K&A in our Widebeam.
No.
So I think we might get shouted at a little bit, but anyway. So yeah, we'll be based there, and we'll have some new views for you, which will be good.
Yeah, yeah.
So we're going to ask you a question
Uh-oh.
this summer, because where we will be based, we're 2 days away still from the Thames, so only 2 days travelling, so that's not too bad. So we can come back onto the Thames. So, would you prefer, and we can't guarantee that we'll go with the majority, but it would be good to do a vote. Would you prefer us to come back out onto the Thames for summer so that you get beautiful Thames summer views again?
Yeah.
Or would you like us to carry on up the K&A and attempt the Cane Hill flight by Widebeam?
Oh, we're going to Bristol.
Well, heading that way. So, post in the comments, what would you like us to do?
Yeah.
I've got a funny feeling I know what the answer might be.
Yeah. Go to the Med on an aeroplane with EasyJet. Talk to Colin, our buddy.
Anyway, our next video hopefully should be us making our move.
It will be now.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
I'll check the water before we go.
Yeah. And yeah, we look forward to bringing you along on our next chapter. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.